To find the vertical asymptote of this rational function, we're going to look at the denominator, and we're going to figure out whatever value of x makes that denominator equal 0. If you can look at that and know that the answer is simply x equals 2, go ahead and just write that. In the cases where you can't just do it in your head, take the denominator, set it equal to 0, and solve it. And we'll see that the vertical asymptote is at x equals 2. You do need to have the x equals to get the full credit, because we want the equation of a line, not simply a number. Moving on to the horizontal asymptote, that's where I'll look at the lead terms and see what happens with them. In this case, the lead terms are x over x. This would simplify down to, well, that x on top is like a 1 times x. So after I cross these x's off, I simply get y equals 1 as my horizontal asymptote. Again, because we're talking about an asymptote, I need to have a y equals, so I have the equation of a line. Moving on to the x-intercept, we're going to look at the numerator, and we want to figure out what makes the numerator equal 0. So again, if you can look at that and know that it's -4, that's fine. Otherwise, you could set up an equation. Solving this will give you x equals -4. You can just put the -4 in this case. You don't need to write x equals. It's not wrong to put it, but it's not required. And then finally, for the y-intercept, I'm going to look at these last terms, these constants. I'm going to consider them as if they were one single number. So 4 over -2 would reduce down to -2. So this graph would cross the y-axis at -2. So that's it. It's just about where to look and what to do with where to look. Good luck.